Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to be making apricot jam because my husband's grandma has an apricot tree in her front yard that hasn't fruited for like 7 years, and all of a sudden it exploded and she sent me these. So let me show you how I'm going to make this. Let's go. Well, there you have it. We made beautiful, delicious apricot jam with homegrown apricots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.